So guys, for this particular weekend, there is seminar going on in Abuja for fish farmers. And guess what? We decided we're going to connect because you're definitely going to be linked up with, different people in the industry, what they are doing and how you can learn from them. So a friend of mine invited me and I was interested. Here we are at his place trying to wait for him to come out so we can go together, and eventually he's here with us. And guys, this is us going to the place. I won't even lie to you, the location of this farm is far. Like, we drove for a very long distance before we could get to the farm. The location is far, but the journey was worth it because, guy, I really connected with senior men, off takers and a whole lot of persons that will make your journey so smooth. And here we are at the farm already. You can see me trying to talk to my social media manager to make sure the car is locked. I don't want to hear. So guys were here, and guess what? They started before we came, but they had not gone far. So they were still trying to teach the really newbies, because some new persons came, about how to hatch. I think day one is for hatching, right? So how to identify a good male and how to identify a good female, how to know a male that is ready for use and a female that is ready for use as well. So here are bruise dogs that one of his worker in the farm is trying to catch, for us to use for the seminar. Different bruise dogs. We're being taught about hybrid, Claras, reverse hybrid, if you want to make anyone. Here's my guy that I came with to the place. I think we're discussing about something, and here we're trying to check this particular male. You can see it is hybrid. Actually, we're trying to check to know if it is ripe or not, and we're being lectured basically about how to come up with hybrid, reverse hybrid, or Claras. You can see I was asked to just put my hand there to make sure the fish does not fall off. If you're a catfish farmer, guy, fish needs to be your friend, man. You can't be scared of it. So yeah, this particular big one, we're trying to check. As big as it is not ready. So it's not a matter of how big it is a matter of how matured it is to be used as broodstock. This is actually male broodstocks, and it is still not ready. Here's Big Tony lecturing us about Claras, about hybrid, and all of that. But he has a lot of knowledge, man. We learned a whole lot. We connected with different persons. We went around to check this particular farm in the same place, and this 18 pond has about 3,000 fishes in it. Goodbye, guys. See you the next day, which is day 2. Today's introduction.